Hello, my name is Michael, and today I'm going to teach you about writing chemical equations. The first step in writing a chemical equation is to bring the ions together and bond them. In this we have sodium hydroxide and sulfuric acid. You need to rewrite on the other side by bringing them together. This is a double displacement reaction, so we just need to switch the Na and the H2 around. So it would be NaSO4 plus HO. Now the second step is to ensure that the overall charge for the formula is 0. What that means is that each one of these, their charge needs to be equal to 0. The charge of Na is 1 plus, and the charge of sulfate is 2 negative. So what this means is that we need 2 sodium for each sulfate. So we're going to put a 2 down here. Now to do the hydrogen and the oxygen. Hydrogen has a charge of 1 plus. Oxygen has a charge of 2 negative. Which means that for each oxygen, we will need 2 hydrogen to make it balanced. So 2 hydrogen, or water. The last step is to balance the equation. What that means is that the type of atom and the number of each atom on each side has to be equivalent. We can start off by listing the atoms that we have. So we have 1 Na, we have 1 OH compound, we have 2 hydrogen, and we have 1 sulfate compound. On this side we have 2 sodium. We have, for the purpose of balancing, we can rewrite this as HOH. It's the same thing, but when you're initially balancing it though, this is the proper way. H2O is the proper way to write it. But this can be displayed as 1 OH and 1 H, and we still have the 1 sulfate over here. So in order to start balancing it, we have 1 sodium, 2 sodium, so we need 2 over here. So we can put a 2 here, and that will change our sodium on this side to 2, and our OHs to 2. Now we need to do the same thing on this side. Our OHs need to become 2, so we need to put a 2 here, which will make our OH2 and our hydrogen 2, and the equation is now balanced.